Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fix all app issue by simply update your apps on your Google Smart TV, whether Netflix, YouTube app, YouTube Kids, or any types of apps you are using on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Smart TV settings from the home page right here. Make sure you go to setting icon, then click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps. So right here, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on see all apps. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to show systems apps. Click on OK. Then all the system apps here is going to load up. What you want to do next is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. And then here we go. Google Play Store. Click on that. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. Then you have it right here. Here, you can update as many as possible apps you are using from your Play Store right here. Now, one more thing here is that, let's say for instance, you can see app by category right here: entertainment and music and audio, player and editor, tools, lifestyle, sports, news magazine, productivity, education, health, fitness, communication, and business. You can come to the top right here. You see some of the apps from the home page right here. Here, you can simply choose any one of your choice here and then update them. Let's say, for instance, the app you want to update is not actually displayed from the home page right here. What you need to do is to make use of your search icon. So navigate to search right here. And then, so you can simply search for the app you are looking for. Right? So for instance, I want to update my Netflix. I will simply make use of my type right here and type N. So automatically you have Netflix right here. So, but as you can see right here, my Netflix is in update, so there is no need for me to update it. Then I can simply exit from here. And then here, let's say for instance, I want to update my YouTube case. Right, so let's say I want to update my YouTube kit. I will simply type in YouTube kit. So YouTube is YouTube case. Then I'll simply come to search icon, search. Then we have the app right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on it, and it's going to open up like so. Then it's take you right here. Then as at the time of making this video, there was no any updates. That is why it shows open. So if from your own hand, you might see update. What you need to do is to click on update. You can use this method to update as many as possible apps in your Google Smart TV to fix any app issue on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.